Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss matrices long answer questions. In that we are taking one problem, Cramer's method. We are taking one long answer question based on this Cramer's rule. Okay. The question is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. X plus y plus z is equal to 1. 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, 3z is equal to 6, and x plus 4y, x plus 4y plus 9z is equal to 3. 9z is equal to 3. This is the question. So first this question we are taking in coefficient variable and x format. So first I am taking let capital A is equal to, naming it as coefficient matrix. Naming it as coefficient matrix. So here I am taking first equation coefficients. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So I am taking 1, 1, 1. First equation no, I am taking in first row. Next coming here second equation 2, 2, 3. That only here I am writing 2, 2, 3. Second row. And coming here third equation 1, 4, 9. That one I am writing here 1, 4, 9. So this is matrix is called it as coefficient matrix. And next I am taking capital X. Capital X is what? Variable matrix. Capital X is what? Variable matrix. Here how many variables we have? X, Y, Z. So that one I am writing in column wise X. Okay. Next here I am taking one more matrix, that is D. D is equal to, I am taking it as constant matrix. D I am taking it as constant matrix. So here constants are given by 1, 6, 3. That one I am writing in column 1, 6, 3 order wise. So here in general we can take equation is in the format of Ax is equals to D form. Equation is there in the format of Ax is equal to D. So here first I am finding determinant, means det A. Det A is equals to, here I am writing in module function 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. Okay. So here when we are taking determinant module, we need to take the signs plus, minus, plus. This is the order. We need to take signs plus, minus and plus. So here this is equals to, here I am taking, this is equals to 1 into first row, first column is eliminated. Here which eliminated? First row, first column is eliminated. So leftover values are 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay. Next here minus symbol, minus into 1, that is minus 1. In this condition, first row, second column is eliminated. Leftover values 2, 3, 1, 9. As it is I am writing 2, 3, 1, 9. Okay. Next here third value plus 1 times of first row, third column is eliminated 2, 2, 1, 4. Otherwise I am writing here 2, 2, 1 and 4. Okay. Now so here we need to take in the format this into this minus this into this. So this is equal to 1 into 2 9s are 18 minus 4 into 3. So here next value is like this, 4 into 3. 4 into 3 goes to 12. Next, minus 1 into same thing, 2 9s are 18 minus 3. Right? So here 18 minus 3. Next, plus 1 into, here 2 4s are 8 minus 2. So this is equal to 1 into 18 minus 12 value is 6 minus 1 into 18 minus 3 value is 15 plus 1 into 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 value is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 15, that is minus 3. 12 minus 15, that is minus 3. That is what? Det. Right. Here I am finding det A1. Det A1 in the sense, I need to change first column. I need to change first column with constants. First column with constants. So first column I am changing 1, 6, 3. This first column is replaced with constant. Second column as it is 1, 2, 4. Third column is also as it is 1, 3, 9. So same order here also, taking plus minus plus, plus minus plus. So here this is equal to 1 into same first row, first column eliminated, leftover values 2, 3, 4, 9. Next minus 1 into 6, 3, 3, 9 and plus 1 into 6, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So is equals to 1 into 2 9s are 18, 18 minus 12, that is 6. Directly I am writing. Next minus 1 into 6 9s are 54. 54 minus 9 plus 1 into 6 4s are 24 and 3 2s are 6. Here the value is 6. Here the value here 6 minus 54 minus 9. 54 minus 9 value goes to 6 minus 45 plus 24 minus 6, that is 18. That is what? 18. So here 18 plus 6 24. 24 minus 45, that is minus 21. Minus 21. So next condition, same model. Here I am taking det A2. Det A2 is equal to, first column is as it is. First column 1, 2, 1. First column is as it is. Second column replaced with constants. Second column has been changed like this, 1, 6, 3 and third column is as it is, 1, 3, 9. So here condition again same, plus minus plus. Okay. So this is equals to 1 into 6 9s are 54 minus 10, direct I am writing, minus 1 into 2 9s are 18, 18 minus 3. Next plus 1 into 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6. Here 54 minus 9. 54 minus 9 is 45. 45 minus 15. 18 minus 3, 15. 15 into minus 1 minus 15. That is equals to 30. That is equals to 30. Okay. Next. det A3. 1. Second column is as it is 1 previously, say 1 to 4. Here third column has replaced with constants 1, 6, 3. Second column det A, whatever the second column is, the same column I am taking. A3 in the sense third column only replaced with constants. Here we need to remember one thing, A1 in the sense first column replaced with constants, A2 second column replaced with constants, A3 third column is replaced with constants. That only here major concept. Remaining process determinant finding is as it is for each and every problem. How to find determinant, that only here we are also applying. Okay, right. So here 2 3s are 6, minus 24 minus 1 times of 2 3s are 6 minus 6 plus 1 time of 2 4s are 8 minus 2. So this is equal to 6 minus 24, that is minus 18. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 1 into 6 is 6. So minus 18 plus 6 is equals to minus 12. Okay. Here small x is calculated is nothing but det A1 by det A, and small y is calculated is equals to det A2 by det A, and z is calculated by det A3 by det E. So here det A1 value how much we got? Minus 21 we got. So minus 21 by minus 3. Det A value here previously we got minus 3. Okay. So that is equal to minus minus cancel. So here 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. Next here det A2 value here we got 30. So 30 det A value minus 3, that is equal to minus 10. And det A3 value here we got minus 12. Det A value is minus 3. Here x is equal to 7, y is equal to minus 10, and z is equals to 4. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.